Is a builder-grade toilet more likely to leak than premium models? Yes, but the difference is not automatic and depends mostly on installation, materials, and design. Builder-grade toilets often use simpler materials and less refined sealing details, so the risk of leaks increases if installation is rushed or corners are cut. When installing any toilet, start by inspecting the flange and floor for level and soundness. Replace a cracked or corroded flange and shim the toilet so the base sits flat without rocking. Use a high-quality wax ring or wax-free flange seal of the correct thickness and ensure the toilet is set straight down with even pressure so the ring compresses uniformly. Do not torque bolts excessively because that can crack the porcelain. Verify the tank-to-bowl gasket is the correct type and tighten tank nuts incrementally and evenly until they are snug but not over-tightened. Test the fill and flush mechanisms and listen for slow leaks. For flanges that sit below floor level, use an extender or two-piece wax ring rated for the depth, and follow the manufacturer guidance for overflow and anti-siphon clearances. If budget allows, consider toilets with integrated sealing systems and molded base gaskets, because those designs reduce dependence on installer technique. But remember that even premium units can leak if the subfloor is weak or the flange is damaged. Common mistakes are assuming all leaks are caused by the toilet itself, over-tightening mounting bolts, and ignoring flange or subfloor condition. A leak that appears at the base may be caused by a cracked flange or degraded wax ring rather than the bowl. Inspect and replace the flange or ring before condemning the toilet. Over-compressing bolts to stop rocking can fracture the porcelain, so use shims under the base and tighten nuts just enough to hold the toilet firmly without gaps. Installing over an uneven or rot-compromised floor hides the real problem. Replace or repair the subfloor and then reset the toilet on a flat, stable surface to prevent long-term seal failure. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find installation guidance related to toilets and other home systems. Our site also helps contractors find local work and grow their client base, and we host an active discussion community where people swap experiences, ask questions, and share tips about installs, seals, and materials.